Hi, I'm Simon with AppliancePartsPros.com. Today we're going to show you how to repair your appliance. Are you ready? Remember, anytime you work on your appliance, make sure it's unplugged or the circuit breakers are off so there's no chance of electrocution. In this video, we'll show you how to replace the drawer support in a GE range. It's going to be a very easy repair. Should only take a few minutes to show you how to do it. For the job, we're going to need a Phillips screwdriver. When you open up the package, you're going to get a new drawer support. This drawer support is installed on the left rear side of the drawer. It allows the drawer to glide in and out. The main reason for the drawer support to be replaced is if it breaks off, causing the drawer to jam. We're going to remove the broiler drawer by pulling it straight out, then lifting up and slide it out. Okay, let's bring the drawer to the workable surface. And now we're going to remove that drawer support. So we're going to remove this single Phillips screw with a Phillips screwdriver. And now we can remove the support. This is the old drawer support next to the new one. If you don't have this part, you can get it from AppliancePartsPros.com. I'm going to turn the drawer and we're going to put a support on the drawer. This tab goes into this cutout, and this hole is going to match this opening here. So we're going to put the screw through. Now we're going to lower down the drawer and secure the support to the drawer with a single Phillips screw. It's ready to be installed. Place the drawer over the supports. Lift up the front end and slide it in. And now when we're done, you can plug the wrench back in. Thank you for being a part of another successful repair brought to you by AppliancePartsPros.com. For any of your future appliance repair projects, please check out our other videos available on our site, on Facebook, on YouTube, and on Instagram.